you locked yourself out the car, what are you gonna do? Well, there's lots of things you can do. Pry open the door here and try to hit the lock, break the window, but we're gonna avoid all that today. Today what we're gonna use is what we call key jigglers, okay? Got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in there. What you wanna do is you wanna try to match up the one that looks like your key as much as possible. For this car, a 2001 Cadillac DeVille, I think it's this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this in the keyhole. We're gonna jiggle up and down and turn at the same time. This might take a minute or a half a minute. We don't know, but we're gonna jiggle it, and we'll keep doing this until we see the lock pop up. And if this one don't work, you could try different ones. So what we'll do is jiggle this up and down and turn at the same time. Okay, so that one's not working. So we're gonna go ahead and try a different one. We're gonna go ahead and try this one. Sometimes you gotta be a little patient with it. Put this out the way. Okay, so we're jiggling and jiggling. Nothing's happening with that one. Okay, so let's try a different one. I know it's a key that has it on both sides. Let's try this one maybe. Flip it around another way. So we're not getting anything with these keys. Let's try this key maybe. And what you want to do, if you do find the key that works, make sure you mark it so for next time you have the key that works.
2 hours later.
So I hurt my finger trying to use these keys. They're really thin. So I recommend you wear gloves when you're doing this, because it could take you a minute, half a minute, or maybe 2 minutes to get this door open. So we're gonna find the key. We're gonna try this one. And when you do end up finding the key, you wanna mark it so that way you have the key for the future. So now we're gonna go ahead and try again. We're gonna go ahead and try again, see what we can do. Okay, so what you want to do is keep your eye on the lock. Just keep jiggling. It'll hit. It just takes a little patience to get this to go right. So you're jiggling up and down and turning at the same time. So you want to jiggle it up and down and turn it at the same time. And maybe what you want to do is take it out and wiggle it in, turn it, wiggle it in, turn it, and it should pop. Just make sure you wear gloves because these keys do hurt. And we're going to keep wiggling. And it's taking a little longer than expected, but we're going to get it. I know we're going to get it. It takes a lot less time than trying to pry open the door. So all we gotta do is just keep trying. Don't give up doing this. There you go. So it took a little bit of time, but now we got the door open and we're good to go. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Till next time, fix it with Jeff.